So, what is the number one secret foundation to becoming the healer within? Alignment. Alignment is your inner superpower. So, what is alignment? Alignment is when what you think and you feel and what you value all match. So, here's an example. Let's say you want to make a lot more money. Your thoughts, if you're in alignment, would be something like this: I deserve great money. Money comes easily. I am rich and happy, and I'm for the highest good of all, those kind of thoughts. And those thoughts create feelings that you hold, like you feel abundance and you feel flow and free in your body. And maybe you have a value of wanting inner freedom in all parts of your life. And when all those things are together, it creates aligned action where you're motivated, you're intentional, and that creates the results you want. That's called alignment. So now what that means again is you're aligned with the higher truths that are supporting what you desire. And you know that you're in alignment because you feel good in your body, you feel good in your heart. There's no constriction. You feel lighter. But what pulls us away from feeling alignment is when you get into your head. And your head is where your stories are of fear and doubt and shame. And we call that resistance. So, resistant beliefs are things like, I'm not enough. I'm not worthy. I'm not capable. I'm too old for this. Nobody's going to buy my thing, that kind of thing. And when you hold those beliefs, you're constricted in the body and you're disconnecting from the natural alignment. We resist when we tell ourselves the stories that disconnect us from the truth of who we are. Like more things like, I'm stupid. I'm too old. I can't start something like this. Nobody's going to buy my thing. And every time you tell yourself those kind of things, the body, again, the body follows everything. So the body constricts and we start getting out of alignment. We stop taking action. We procrastinate. All kinds of things happen. Now, here's the very, very important thing. You probably want to write this down. When you are out of alignment, you are actually stopping manifestations to come through you because of that contracted energy. It's literally stopping you. If you're holding those kind of beliefs, it can't pull you forward. Doesn't that make sense? Such an important key that a lot of people, a lot of times, don't think about how emotions, what do they have to do with manifestation? It has everything to do with manifestation. And so that's why feeling your feelings is so important to honor, heal, and transform them. When we hold thoughts that are in alignment with what we desire, and you're aligned with source energy, what happens is a completely different experience. You feel good in your body. You feel good about what you desire. Because we've released the fears with the inner work, which made us feel safe. And when you're safe, manifesting flows. And the other byproduct of healing your feelings is you're releasing inner struggle, that frenetic energy, and the inner blocks. It has so much, it's like the gift that keeps giving when you're doing the inner work. I believe that we are all here to be in the fullest expression of who we are. And what that means is we're here to be seen, not play small. We're here to feel, to express, to create, and become that radiant being you were born to be. You know, think of a little 2-year-old. If you can't remember how you were, think of a little 2-year-old that you see. That 2-year-old is playing and squealing and cracking up and dancing, and they don't care if they look funny or silly. They don't worry about looking stupid. They're just delighted in their own energy. That's radiance. That is the radiance we want to get back, being totally who we are. And not only that, but when you're in that radiated energy, you're magnetic. And being magnetic is the energy that creates greater abundance. In that energetic state, you're learning to love yourself by honoring the things that you normally wouldn't honor. Fear, shame, resentment, jealousy. No, we usually push them away. I don't want to look at them. But if you keep pushing them away, they're stuck. And if those feelings are stuck, so are you. So instead, we want to learn to be grateful for those feelings, because those feelings are information to help us heal and get us on the path of being in that higher version of who we are. When you allow yourself to do that healing inner work, you're literally breaking the chains that have bound you probably for many, many years. Sometimes we call those chains the shadow of who we are. So inner work is about releasing what no longer serves you. And that's what's so beautiful about doing inner healing work, because you're literally creating the beautiful life force that you are. It brings you back to that radiant energy. And that is why becoming your own healer can become magical and miraculous, because it's literally the door to your emotional freedom and having a very abundant life in everything that you do. So I'm inviting you to join me in my new masterclass called Awaken the Healer Within, where I'm going to show you 2 very potent techniques to start becoming your own self-healer for your emotions and your limiting beliefs that are keeping you stuck and holding you back from success, joy, wealth, love, really wherever you're stuck. Your ability to heal your emotions, I believe, is truly medicine for your soul. And I'm going to show you how inside the class. Just click the link below and we'll see you very soon inside the class. I can't wait.